Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Data Warehousing and Mining. And today's session is Elements of Data Warehousing, or you can say Components of Data Warehousing. I have already discussed about data warehousing in the starting of the videos of this subject. So here you see a diagram, and there are four sections basically. You are seeing in these sections, these are the divided into number of you can say components. So or you can say the classification of the different sections. So the first is the source system, then second is staging area, then presentation area, and the end user data access. In the source system means from where you will get the data. What is the source of that data? So there are various sources, like you see in this diagram. There are operational systems like financially, MRP, customer services, human resources. These all are the database where you can retrieve, you can get the, you can fetch the data as per your requirement. And another thing is that there are other also sources like support DBs, external sources. You will also get the data from these resources also. Now after collecting the data from the source system, these are basically the heterogeneous sources. Okay, what I told you in the data warehouse, the data comes from the heterogeneous source, means different different sources. So after getting all these data, we have to transform those data in the staging area. Staging area is what? The area where you can perform. Okay, the simple meaning is the stage. On the stage you have to give the performance, right? So after entering the staging area, here you see the data warehouse. This is a type of, you can see the container. In this container there are, there are transformational tools from where you can process the data, and there are metadata also. Metadata is the data about data. So this is the area where your data is performed, right? Now before going to the stage, you rehearse, what to say, you are getting some analysis, what to present and how to present, what are the audience in which you are standing in front of you while you are presenting. So there are all the tasks which you have to done with before go to the staging area. Now after going to the staging area, you will transform, or you will perform on the presentation area. Presentation is what? Now you are in the ready mode, and you are now going to start your presentation. You are going to process your task. That area is the presentation area. Okay, so this is the, you can say, the live thing from where you can you can perform accordingly. Okay, so after this presentation area, the data will transform to the end users data access. Means here these are the area where your data is accessed, like desktop clients. So you can say the audience. Okay, so audience will get this data. So now the source system means any organization of the data is stored in various database, which is generally divided up the systems, and there may be a data of marketing, sales, payrolls, engineering. So the next come to the staging area, means firstly data is kept in a staging area. This data comes from the different sources, and basically the staging area is used to clean, transform, combine, household, archive, and to prepare source data for use in the data warehouse. The next is the presentation area. In the presentation area, it is a target physical machine, okay, where you have to perform. or data is performed. So on this target physical machine, the data warehouse data is organized and stored for different query. Like this direct querying is done by end users, report writers and other applications. The set of presentable data and or analytical data store normally take the form of dimensionally modeled tables when stored in a relational database and cube files when stored in an OLAP database. The next is the end user database tools. This means end user data access means these are the tools, or these tools are the, you can say, the any client of the data warehouse, and end user access tools can be simply as an ad hoc query tool, or you can say the complex or sophisticated data mining or modeling applications. So the last is the metadata. Metadata is data about data, and in this all the information in the data warehouse environment, that is not the actual data itself, and this data about data is cataloged, versioned, documented and backups. So this is all about today's session. There means the components of data warehousing, and thank you so much. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.